Have you ever wondered about the physics of snowboarding? Well, I have. Without physics, snowboarding wouldn't even be possible. I have two experts on the slopes right now to explain.
Oh, didn't see there, bro. Just wondering about the physics behind snowboarding, and I think I just figured it out. So it's actually pretty simple, bro. What you do, you got your slope, bah, and you got your border, blah, and there's snow on it. But what's the science behind that? Well, your slope provides the gravity. You pull the border down, your slope. But what makes them go so fast? And are they really sliding on snow? They aren't. It's a trick the government wants you to believe, bro. What you're actually sliding on is some water because of friction. See, when a board goes over the snow, it actually heats it up. And on a monocular level, you're sliding on water, bro. That's how they go so fast. And that's how they have so much fun. So that friction combined with the gravity of the slope makes you move. Peace.
I wonder why all these snowboards have curved edges. Is it for speed? Jumps? I'm sure Lewis has the answer.
Hi guys. Well, if you didn't know, a snowboard is curved from the edge here. See it right there? See how it goes? Well, a snowboard is curved, so when it hits an edge or some kind of hill or ramp, then it doesn't go straight in and set the board backwards. It goes over. The reason it is like this is so imagine this is a hill. You hit it instead of through the curved edge. The normal force pushes the board up and over. So it hits it like this and goes over. If it was flat, like bend my board like this and it's flat, if all boards are like this, you would go in, and the normal force would send your board back and go underneath you.
Since ice and snow are both made out of water, why do snowboarders prefer to ride on snow than ice?
What's up, yo? That was some sick sliding I got right there, brah. And that was on some kind of snow. Not powder, just your average, snow. But you might ask yourself, what's the difference between snowboarding on ice and powder, bro? Pow pow. Powder, for unenlightened. Well, the difference is, it's harder for a snowboarder to basically board on ice. That's pretty much it. I'll break it down for you. Why it's harder is, and why they love pow pow more is, bro, because snow has more friction than ice in this circumstance, so it allows them better control. It doesn't allow them to go as fast, but it gives them better control. They're allowed to dig in deeper to the snow, and they can turn tighter, and they generally have more control. Whereas ice, you're slippery, you'll fall, and it hurts more, and the friction is less. So you're gonna go faster. Plus less control it's not fun, and it's harder to turn. So yeah. Plus pow pow. It's just beautiful. But you might be asking yourself, what if I wax my board? How does that affect my ride on the snow? You know what I mean? Well, that's a good question. Find out. Hey, so as I was saying, wax decreases the friction on a board. It does this by getting rid of a layer that otherwise might slow down the board, like dirt, and makes it glide much more smoothly over rocks, and just in general it makes it go faster on snow because it makes the friction rely on the snow instead of on the board. So it just speeds up. Pretty simple. So there are multiple ways to wax a board, and what you want to do is clean it off first and then actually take your wax and a hot iron and melt it into the board. And see, by melting it, what you do is drip it onto the board, and by doing, okay, first you warm up the board, opening the pores of the board, and yes, a snowboard actually has pores. And then by opening these up, you drip wax onto it, smooth it out, as I'll show you, and then this wax goes into the board, and it is absorbed into the pores, and then once you're out there, while the pores seal up and you're out there riding, you have like a gas tank of wax that you can ride on down the slopes. Pretty cool. So yeah.
Cue music montage. Yay! Hey guys, hope you enjoyed our little physics video about how gravity, friction, the transfer of heat, and just our momentum going down the hill help us enjoy this sport we love so much. And before I end it, I'm gonna show you guys the little extra clip about projectile motion, and then the bloopers. So hope you guys enjoyed.
You ready?
Alright, you ready?
You ready?
Trash target, trash target. Get it.
Palms away.
Go. Oh, Kobe.
You hear that swish? Swish. See? Oh, didn't see you there. It's a good question, little broette. Or broski, bro ling dong, is the snow friction, because this friction of the snow, you know, that didn't make any sense. It's riding on a molecular thin layer of ice, bro, and that's some science crazy stuff, like, mind blown. So, yeah. So this loud noises, slopes. So this plus slopes, the friction of the board, stop. And can turn harder. It's harder for them to turn, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. Go for it.
Hold up.
Go for it. 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 You know, they lost interest already. Oh, collision. Collision.
I have two professionals. No, not two professionals. Two. What did I say?
Retake.
Yeah. Without physics, snowboarding wouldn't be. Why do snowboarders to prefer to ride on snow than ice? Why do snowboarders to prefer to snow on?
The
snow on. Since ice and water, ice and water. Why do snowboarders prefer to ride on ice?
You're just gonna keep making retakes? I can just find it in the video.
Oh,
no. Alright, just leave it. I'll just leave it running.
Oh, that's just.
Yeah, we'll get one of your bloopers that way.
Hello? Hello?
So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh God. No, that's terrible. I'm kidding. It was off.